Vic was 5 when I first met him. He was a witty, spirited child, but very guarded and defensive. He was born with a condition called EB, a debilitating disease affecting both internal and external skin surfaces over his entire body. Sometimes they are referred to as cotton wool kids. 80% of these children don't live to see their first birthday. Vic's mother didn't want him. She had 2 children previously die from the condition, and she had no expectation that he would be any different. Every day, Vic heard people around him say, "He'll never live long. He'll never amount to anything. No one will ever love him." They even went as far as to say it was his own fault, a product of his bad karma. When all the kids in the neighbourhood went to school, Vic stayed home. They said educating him was a waste of money because even if he survived, he's disabled and would never be able to do anything besides beg anyway. In their eyes, he was of no value. He turned up at my door one day with a crumpled plastic bag filled with old ragged clothes. He said his family told him to come and live with me. He said they didn't want him anymore. He told me he didn't even need a bedroom. He could sleep by the car in the carport, and when I woke up in the morning, he'd be there and we could drink tea together and chat. Hearing a child say that broke my heart. He was only 6 years old at the time. We started to sponsor Vic with the help of an ACC church in Australia. He received an education, medical treatment for his condition, and most importantly, he began to realise he was valued. We worked to improve his family situation and help them understand Vic's capacity and potential. Vic's life turned around. At 8 years old, he accepted Christ. At 10 years old, he started his own cell group and saw many of the neighbour kids saved too. Today, he is a vibrant, confident, educated, funky 14-year-old who loves God, loves people, and has a vision to become a worship leader. Child sponsorship showed Vic he was valued in God's eyes and in ours.
God brings children like Vic to our missionaries every day. These children are important to God, and so they're also important to us. We cannot turn these children away. That's why we sponsor children.